We have 14 days to design and build a custom mini bike from scratch. Go Power Sports is hosting its first ever annual mini bike best in show, and we want to win. So we're gonna take this bike and turn it into a showstopper. Let's get to work.
Oh my God. All right, so my dad absolutely loves Kijiji. Now, for those of you who don't know, it's like Craigslist, basically an online marketplace where you could buy and sell stuff, and he found this. It is a cool, old school looking bike with a sissy bar. It comes with everything you need minus a motor, but like, look at it. It is really cool. So we're gonna go get it right now. Are you here?
Oh yeah.
Are you in uniform?
No. What's this?
Uniform. Look.
No way.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Hopefully it fits good. We're going to Brant,
Yeah.
and we're gonna be picking up this really cool mini bike.
He bought it from South Carolina
Wow.
when he was down there at a car show. It looks like from the 70s. Cool looking bike. It needs
Yeah.
paint.
But
Most likely tires.
it needs the Mantini touch, that's what
Yeah.
it needs. However, if we go with the rat style, we don't need paint. We
No.
actually need to rust it out, we need to sand it down, we need to make it look grimy, in the words of Scarface. You got the money?
Yeah. Hi, how's it going? It's Frank calling. I'm just at the back of the garage.
So how many times have you done this in your lifetime going to pick up mini bikes?
Oh, I would have to say at least 50, 60 times for sure.
So where'd you get this?
Charlotte Speedway.
Charlotte
They
Speedway.
have a swap meet there.
Okay. Man, this is cool. It definitely has that vintage vibe to it.
Okay.
What do you think?
I like it.
That's cool, right?
Yeah.
And the guy was asking $1.25 US.
Yeah.
I landed up paying 110
Yeah.
US. And I brought it home and my wife said, "What are you bringing that?" Anyway, but it looked to me like it was it looked like right out of the 70s.
Yeah.
And it's pretty good shape, surprisingly. Like,
Well, I appreciate you hanging on to it for me.
No, I've had 6 people
Yeah.
respond.
I love my Z50s.
that's what I learned to ride on.
I got,
So that's where that's the one I paid $40 for.
Wow.
well, that's worth it.
Oh yeah, with the motor?
Oh yeah.
Oh, no way.
Yeah, that's worth it.
And the handlebars of the seat, I got everything off.
Yeah, I wouldn't pass on that either. Oh, yeah.
Look at this.
Yeah, I
Oh
got
my
a,
gosh, this is cool.
yeah. I got a yellow one like that.
Yeah.
I got another red one.
Yep.
And then I bought a 2000,
So cool.
a 2000 Honda Z50 new one. I just wanted to have something different, right? No, we're just going to pull it forward
Okay.
and let it just rest on the floor. That's it. Perfect. Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah, perfect. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you. All right, we got the bike.
Yep, we got the bike.
Why are you driving like you stole it? Did you pay the man?
Yes, I did.
Okay.
Paid him in full with just what he wanted.
Good. All right. We have the Pull Start Picnic happening, and this is one of the bikes that we want to bring, but we have to decide, do we want to make this look like a vintage bike, or do we want to make it look like a rat rod style? If you're not familiar with that, take a look at these. So a rat rod is basically a bike that's held together by any means necessary. Whatever it takes to keep the bike running, that's the definition of a rat rod. So now we have to decide, do we want this to be a rat style bike or vintage? What do you think, Dad? Like, this is cool, but like, I'm thinking rat, but what are you thinking?
Yeah, it's a possibility.
So we got a flat tire, I think both, or one?
Oh, just one.
Just the one, okay.
Oh no, this one's flat too.
We have a nice built-in sissy bar, which I've never seen before in one of these bikes, which is
No.
pretty cool. At the end of the day, this bike it just literally needs a motor, a chain. We need to make it almost look worse, but cooler than what it currently does. And so we're gonna put in a 97cc engine right now and see what it kind of looks like and see if it'll fit, and if it works good, we'll use it.
I think we should start it and upset the mother upstairs.
Start the bike?
Yeah. Start the motor.
Okay. You think
See
she'll get mad?
see how fast she'll come down. I'd like to see if I can do something with exhaust.
This exhaust. So this is the definition of like a rat style part where it's literally rusted. You see the welds. So we'll take off this exhaust from the engine and then we'll put this guy on, and it's probably gonna be loud. What do you think though, size-wise? Does it look too small?
Okay. Oh, look at this. This is black now.
There it is. Oh, you're crushing my hand.
Oh, sorry. Now it's this one. There we go.
All right, now we got a naked motor.
Okay, look at that. Perfect.
Yeah, that looks good in there. I think that's a good size engine.
Oh, perfect. Okay.
All right. Whoa, yes, it works.
Nope. Is it?
Is there a key in there or something that's
Yeah,
stopping
there's a
it?
key right there.
Is that
Oh,
stopping it?
yeah, that's why.
Oh, why don't you just use a real hammer? What do you like most about building these mini bikes? Is it putting in the engine? Is it starting it up? Is it getting it painted?
Everything overall.
No, but there's got to be one part you like more than the rest.
I like building them. Oh, Nelly.
This company right here, Go Power Sports, is hosting an event that we're going to be going to. We're going to be driving like 25 hours to Texas.
God willing.
And the goal is to basically show our skills and hopefully land our first customer. And hopefully this is going to be one of the bikes that wins the event. There's going to be, I think there's 6 categories, and my goal is if we can get like 2 or 3 bikes done and enter in those 2 or 3 categories, hopefully we'll win one of them.
It's perfect. Look at that.
Wow,
That's
so
it.
you don't have to drill any holes?
No.
Okay, so good. The chain will work.
Yeah.
That's a good sign. The exhaust works clearly. It's kind of funny. This thing literally is like almost holding the exhaust up.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I think we should get rid of this. I don't know what it is, but
I don't like it.
I don't like it either. I think what would be better is like cobwebs or something, you know, or spider webs or, you know,
Yeah, I
something.
think that would look cooler. Yeah.
So the next step realistically for this bike is, I think, coming up with a few unique ideas. What do you got?
I'll get the exhaust that we used on the 55 bike, and I'll get a piece of end and see if maybe I can get it to come out here, or
Like I was thinking of leaving it like this.
just leaving it like that.
I don't know. I mean, it might be loud, but you're thinking you want to make it go further?
No, just make it come out a little further so the loudness is back there.
Can we extend the handlebars? Like make them ape hangers?
Well,
Because I know they're tall, but like,
I have another idea, that if you were to, well, someone's welded these handlebars here, and I think these nuts were to hold them so they can be adjusted. But if we cut this off here and weld a plate, then
we can use the other handlebars.
We weld a plate, and then we could
Yeah, use some of the new. Actually, you have, yeah, those ones.
possibility use these handlebars.
Oh, that looks cool. But the only issue is it's going to be too low. Why don't we let's get them, grab them. So back in the day, way back, like this is to show that we were meant to be building bikes probably. How old was I when we built this? Maybe 15?
Yeah, probably.
As a teenager, and I was like, I want a chopper. This is clearly when we were watching American Chopper. I was like, I want a chopper with ape hangers. And so this is the bicycle that we created.
Yeah.
We even had the forks made, I don't know. My dad said the forks were too long. I love them. But look at these. These are beautiful ape hanger handlebars. I think if we put that on this bike, I think it would look amazing. All right, here, I got the handlebars you just worry about. Oh boy, so that'd be something like that.
Yeah, that would be cool.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Why can't we use, I mean, we still have to deal with the neck situation.
Yeah, because we'll probably have to put a plate over this to drill the one hole, right?
If you look at it, it's taller, right?
The thing is hanging down maybe about 3 inches more. Yeah, I think that'd be cool, man.
Be fixed.
Have a nice old school throttle. Yeah, these are like old style, but they're new.
Yeah, they're like them.
Yeah, this is.
So we should one day do a challenge where we have to build an entire mini bike with only vice grips.
Okay. Hold on a sec.
Well, I'm hoping, yeah, it's coming.
Oh, the hole's not that big, Sam.
Is that good or bad?
Oh, that could be a good thing.
Whoa. We have a problem, Houston. Yeah. I mean, I think that looks kind of cool, to be honest.
We almost lost everything here.
What happened?
The bottom's in first.
That's cool though. Dun 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 dun.
That's better.
I honestly feel like this, like almost. I wonder if we should put pegs up here, so it's like a real laying back.
Yeah, that's why I think we got to bring the front out a little more
Yeah.
because it's going to touch the tank. I don't think the tank could be. You might be able to move the tank back, but if you make the seat a little bit smaller.
All right, what do you guys think in the comments? This thing's gonna be bad ass. Just be careful, but it's a cool bike.
Oh yeah, this is good.
Like it makes you just want to like sit back and just enjoy. So, I think it's a good first day. What do you think, Dad?
Yep.
Very good first day. I think this bike's gonna come along. I'm not gonna say it's gonna be better than the 55 bike, but like it's definitely gonna be unique, different, and really cool. So make sure if you're in Texas, come to the Pole Start Picnic, which is happening on May 20th, and you can check out this bike once it's done in person. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe, and I guess we'll see you.
First thing we're going to do is we're going to cut the neck off.
Don't tell me you just cut your hand. This is the most interesting frame I've ever seen in my entire life.
I don't know if people would do stuff like this down in the basement. Oh, Mama! Everything's on fire here.